Trials Guru. Again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I'm here with Dr. Karen Fry, and Dr. Fry specializes in neurology, and she does a lot of Parkinson's studies, and that's what we want to talk about today. And we don't have to talk about the specific study you're doing, because I know that we got to keep that confidential. But some of the stuff with Parkinson's, can you tell us a little bit about some of the directions with Parkinson's, if you think that you're seeing any medications that are sort of breakthrough medications?
Well, there's a lot of different areas of research for Parkinson's these days. They're looking at newer kinds of medications that may be helpful. So that's one category. Then they're looking at the kinds of medicines we've always used for Parkinson's, the dopamine type products, and newer deliveries for these medications. And then of course there's the surgical types of research, a little more invasive, a little more radical type of treatments. So those are basically the three classes that we have. The first class, where they're using medications and alternative treatments, these are things that are already there, nutritional supplements. They've looked at several different nutritional supplements, and some of these studies are ongoing. There is one looking at creatine, and there is one looking at coenzyme Q10. So we will find out in a couple of years whether that actually turns out to be a treatment. Probably the most exciting research right now is in the new delivery systems of levodopa. Having this medication, which has a very short half-life, it doesn't last very long, to be given on a more continual basis, it mimics the normal situation, so that you have continuous dopamine stimulation. And this should prevent a lot of the side effects that we know about from the other medications that we have right now.
And when you say delivery, does that mean it's a slow release into the system, or?
That's right. So a continuous delivery system, a tablet that lasts a long time, or a different method of infusion of the medication.
Now what's the benefit of that?
The benefit is that if you have a continuous dopamine stimulation, you mimic the natural situation. Normally, in the brain, dopamine receptors are constantly being stimulated. No matter if you're moving or not moving, resting or not resting, 24 hours, this happens continuously. In Parkinson's, you have a reduction in the amount of dopamine that's there, and the dopamine receptors are not stimulated on a standard basis. It's a lot less. When you give someone with Parkinson's medication to stimulate the dopamine receptors, these pills usually give you an influx of medication. So you have a burst of receptor stimulation followed by a very low amount. So these pulsatile type of bursting and of the receptor stimulation gives you these side effects. And these tend to be the dyskinesias, where people are kind of wiggling around and moving about, or and the on and off motor fluctuations. So they will be either on, they're good, or they're off. They have the symptoms of Parkinson's.
Now when they're having these side effects, are they usually medications in conjunction with the Parkinson's medication they would take to control that, or with the Parkinson's medication that you control that as well? I mean, what?
Well, the Parkinson's medication causes it, the levodopa does, but also taking it on a different timing schedule helps to alleviate it as well. A lot of times our ability to control it is not adequate. So you still have these symptoms. So a new delivery system is good.
Wonderful. All right, folks, you've heard it right there from the expert, Dr. Karen Fry. And this is Don Walters signing off from The Clinical Trials Guru. Again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com.